everyone, this is Phyllis with Creative Domenica. So I have added a new playlist to my channel called Fabulous Finds. And what I'm going to be doing is reviewing products that I buy either on Amazon or somewhere else, like a retail brick and mortar store or another online entity. And so the first one I wanted to do is this beautiful bird lamp. And it has a beautiful fabric shade in black. The base is gold, and there's two birds down there. And it is resin, but it doesn't look like resin. It's a beautiful lamp. And the shade is black, like I said. So there is let me just grab the cord so I could show you. There is the cord. It is on the cord. And so there it is. I hope the lighting's good. I bought another light over here. I just did this video. It was really dark. So I love this lamp. And what I did was I purchased an Edison bulb. And the reason I like the Edison bulb, hold on, let me turn this back on. The reason I like the Edison bulb is because it has a beautiful amber glow to it. And so this lamp measures 12.25 inches in diameter, 5.5 inches wide, 12.25 inches high. It was $65. That's what I spent on it, and I think it's worth every penny. It's a beautiful accent lamp, and I am thrilled with it. So guys, just make sure, because if you go on Amazon, some people are saying it's the shade's not made right because you see the bulb sticking up out of the center. Those people have the shade upside down, which is easy to do. You could put it both ways, but it only goes one way. And as you can see, the bulb is nowhere near the top. This is a very small bulb, but even a regular size bulb would fit. You could certainly change out the lampshade if you want, but I love how it looks this way. So all in all, I give this a thumbs up, a yay for this, 4 stars. It's just a beautiful lamp. All right, guys, so I will list a description for the lamp and the bulb in the, I'll put the links that if you want to purchase it, by all means, I would grab it. I don't think they have many left in stock. I don't know what happens when they run out, if they replenish. The company is called Creative Co-op, and I have a lot of their stuff, and they have very eclectic, pretty unusual things. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please hit like and subscribe, and look for more of these fabulous finds because I have a whole bunch of them to show you, okay? So look, thanks for watching. You take care until next time.